Pet parents, I dare you not to laugh at what's coming next. We've all been there. Your cat decides the expensive cat bed isn't good enough, so they choose a cardboard box instead. Or your dog gives you that guilty look after destroying your favorite shoes. Today, I'm putting your poker face to the ultimate test with the funniest pet moments that'll have you cracking up despite your best efforts. We're talking epic fails, adorable mishaps, and those did my pet really just do that? Moments that make being a pet parent so incredibly entertaining. So grab your furry friend, get comfortable, and let's see if you can make it through without breaking. Trust me, some of these clips had me laughing so hard I nearly fell off my chair. Ready for the challenge? Let's dive in. Did you survive the challenge? Let us know in the comments.